Configuring Bill.com API integration is a straightforward process that enables businesses to streamline their financial operations by connecting their accounting systems with Bill.com. To begin, you need to create a developer account on the Bill.com website, which will provide you with a unique API key and API secret. First, log into your Bill.com account and navigate to the developer portal, where you can register for a developer account. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and company name, and then submit your registration. Once your account is created, you will receive an email with a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address and activate your account. After verifying your account, log into the developer portal and navigate to the API Keys section. In the API Keys section, you will find your API key and API secret, which are used to authenticate your API requests. The API key is used to identify your account, while the API secret is used to secure your API requests. To configure the Bill.com API integration, you need to choose an integration method, such as OAuth or API keys. OAuth is a more secure method, as it allows users to grant access to their Bill.com account without sharing their login credentials. Next, you need to select the API endpoints you want to use, such as the invoice endpoint or the payment endpoint. The invoice endpoint allows you to create, update, and retrieve invoices, while the payment endpoint allows you to create and retrieve payments. After selecting the API endpoints, you need to configure the API settings, such as the API version and the content type. The API version determines the format of the API responses, while the content type determines the format of the API requests. To test the Bill.com API integration, you can use a tool such as Postman or curl to send API requests to the Bill.com API. You can also use the Bill.com API documentation to find code samples and examples in various programming languages. Best practices for configuring Bill.com API integration include using secure authentication methods, such as OAuth, and validating user input to prevent errors. Additionally, you should handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure that your application can recover from any issues that may arise. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully configure the Bill.com API integration and streamline your financial operations. The Bill.com API integration enables businesses to automate tasks, such as invoicing and payment processing, and provides real-time visibility into their financial operations.